So hey guys, so Google is back with Google I/O 2024 and a lot of new things. So just day before yesterday, I think OpenAI and just gave a hint that we are coming with something new. And yesterday they launched uh, the GPT 4.0, and now everyone was excited about Google I/O, and all that hype was taken away by OpenAI. So a smart move if you look at the company level. So let's look at some of the awesome things that Google has released, and actually some of them were expected and some of them which were not expected. OpenAI took all the hype. So yeah, mixed reaction is there being seen on Twitter. So let's start with some fun stuff. So they released this Dino game. So they have made some changes in this game powered by the Image Gen 2, what they're saying. And I would recommend you guys to go and play with this virtual visual artist, the collaboration with the Image Gen. And it's just a fun experiment where they have taken the story of Alice in the Wonderland and applied the visual effects using the models they have trained. Now, if you look at one of the model, which is Image FX, so this is the model. So this model can actually create some pics according to the text that you're providing it. So it's similar to DALL-E 3 only. So let's say an image of dinosaur playing on the surface of moon with Jupiter planet in the background. Let's see how it does. So they have released this awesome new tool that is Image FX, and they say that this tool is actually really good when converting text into image. So it's a competitor directly to DALL-E 3, from what I'm thinking. And if you look at the time it is taking, it's pretty high compared to DALL-E 3. So the results look decent, I would say. They are not that good. The realistic is okay, cool. It's not that good, I would say. And it gives you some option if you want. You can make some changes. Surface of Earth and Pluto. Okay, let's see. So it has some photorealistic. You have, oh, it gives you some awesome option. So let's keep it sketchy, and let's see how the results look this time. So I don't see much difference, because if you look at really in the back end, they are just taking the prompt in a different way, but the image quality will, I guess, overall remain same only. Okay, so this image looks actually quite decent. I wasn't expecting it to be this good after the previous images. Yeah, looks decent to me. I don't know if we are allowed to put the name of some people. Let's see. uh, Elon Musk on Saturn playing cricket. Is it going to accept? That is one thing I'm curious about, because I think DALL-E right now. Okay, yeah, they don't allow the, yeah. Uh, okay, let's try a man playing a man on Saturn. I think this should work because we have removed the name. So let's see. So I think they are following the same policy as DALL-E 3 only, nothing different. And I want to see how realistic sometimes the image look. It's really poor. I think this is the most. This is the worst image that I think it could have produced. And whoa, cool. I think that was it on this part. The Image FX, we can close it. It is a really nice tool. It's obviously free and unlimited, so one can go and use it as much as want. And I want you guys to try your hands on it and tell me how much do you like it. Cool. I think now we can move to this brand new thing, which is Illuminate. So this allows you to actually listen to any research paper in a more interactive way, and the explanation is done by AI itself. So if you guys are thinking that it is just solely done by simple speaking of words, no, it's not. I will show you one demo.
Recurrent neural networks, think LSTMs and GRUs. These models were the top dogs for tasks like language translation in order, transformer processes,
and work in the transformer model.
It's a bit like how
So you see two voices are interacting with each other, discussing the paper, and it's really good. This is how actually you understand the paper, right? When two people are interacting, just talking about topics like they existed before, and now something new has come in the market. So it looks awesome to me. They haven't actually given you access to do on any paper right now. Some papers are I think predefined here, so that's what you can do right now. So you can join the waitlist as I have done and wait for your chance to come. Cool. The next thing is code experiments, right? So they are not allowing any one of them. The data science agent code transformation. So an experiment to build AI generated Colab notebook that handles data cleaning, data exploration, plotting, and similarly for code transformation. Both of them are not available right now, but they claim that this will make the life of developers super easy. So let's see. Now, if you look at this notebook, this is also not available in my country. It's only available in US. I live in India. So what they say, you can upload documents that are central to your projects. Notebook LM instantly becomes an expert in the information that matters to you most. This is sort of similar to I think RAG. I think it's making a RAG only with some changes in the backend that makes things much better. So yeah, looks cool to me. They have mentioned I think there as seen in the best software ever created. So people are seeing. So let's see how it's performing. Then you have the music Canva. So what you can do here is you can draw anything here. Let's say I have drawn this person, and okay, my drawing is pretty bad, especially when I'm drawing from my laptop's mouse pad. So what it is going to do for every it is directly inspired by a masterpiece. It's a fast-paced electronic drive. It is happy and a beat feel too. This is simple drawing of a person, and they are wearing a white shirt with a collar and have their right arm raised in the air. And I think cool. So this was the music it generated. I don't know what algorithm they have chosen in the backend, but looks decent to me. So you guys can go and play with this. Now let's come to some serious updates. They came up with this project Astra, our vision for the future model. So I will allow you guys to see one thing of it.
All right, give me a band name for this duo.
Golden Stripes.
Nice. Thanks, Gemini.
So what this video says that it's quite similar to what we saw OpenAI GPT-4o. It's very similar to that. It's a multi-model which can actually do communicate in all three ways: text, vision, and audio. So Project Astra, I don't know if these guys are thinking of making it open source or like open to users in few months or few days, because GPT-4o has already made it available as a form of API to the users. So I don't know what right now Google is thinking, but I think they should make it open as soon as possible to compete with them. And yeah, that was Astra. I would link down the video. You guys should definitely go and find. So this is doing exactly the same, like sort of few things are different, like the code part, like compared to GPT-4o. Cool. I think we can come to Gemini. So what they are saying in this blog is that they have come up with Gemini 1.0 in 3 sizes, the Ultra Pro, and later they release 1.5 Pro. But now Gemini they have come with a new model, that is Gemini 1.5 Flash, that you can go and test here. So this is a simple question that I am asking it with the Gemini 1.5 Flash, the latest model. So it will still take 5 minutes to try. Looks different. Looks really good. So they say that this is the newest model to the Gemini and the fastest Gemini model served in API. So it's optimized for high volume, high frequency, and when it's a lighter weight model than 1.5 Pro. So it's a multi-model reasoning, the long context window, and speed and efficiency. So yeah, this is the latest fastest model that is available now. They have also talked about Project Astra here. If you go, you can see the same video, and they're saying that an agent needs to understand and respond to the complex dynamic world just like people do. Same thing that they are doing here. So yeah, cool. That was it for this part, Gemini 1.5 Flash. Now you have got some good updates on Gemma also. So this is the Gemini 1.5 Flash models, right? And it's available in all the countries. This we have talked about. Now we have come with Pali Gemma. I don't know if I'm translating it wrong or right. So you can see here, right? I don't know why they have released so many models. Maybe I'm unaware of this particular concept of image text to text, because I haven't worked that much. But if you look, this is a pre-trained model with 24 by 24 images and 128 tokens input output text sequence. So They say this is the first vision language model that is available today and optimized for image captioning, visual Q&A, and other image labeling tasks. Now they say PyLiGemma joins a pre-trained Gemma variants, that is Core Gemma and Recurrent Gemma. Next, they talked about Gemma 2. Our next generation of Gemma launches in June and is built for industry level performance. So this new Gemma 27 billion model should do that, and they say that someone has requested bigger model that's still in a size that's easy to use. I doubt who has asked them this thing, and they say that some models that are more than twice in size and will run efficiency on GPUs with a single TPU host in Vertex AI. So they are promoting themselves only. So then they have this first Gemini API developer competition. So this I think is available. Yeah. So this competition, I think you guys can go and definitely participate. Looks really good to me. Will win a custom electric 1981 DeLorean. So I don't know. I'm not that good in cars, but yeah, it looks really awesome to me. Cool. That was it. And then you have this open source model here. Then they have come up with some basic creator things that are most capable video generation model. They have not made it available right now, but what they are putting a competition to, obviously Sora. So they you can generate videos like this, and if these videos are real, they look really good, because I'm not expecting Google to be 100% truthful in this thing, but these videos really look decent. And if this is what they are planning, so I think we are on a full competition mode right now. And the image gen we have already talked about. You can generate an image of anything by writing text. Now the last thing is Gemini API has got some new things, the Ultra Pro and Flash Nano, and the prices have also changed. So I would recommend you guys, if any one of you have been using it, to go and check this and adjust your working accordingly, because to be honest, if they have increased the price, GPT is still far better than current Gemini models. So yeah, that was all the updates that I was able to gather right now from the Google I/O event. I think it's still going on, but yeah, these were the major updates that were there. So yeah guys, thank you and have a nice day.